Hey everyone, this is how you create a Pear deck through Google Slides and share it with your students. First thing you'll need to do is go ahead and open your Google Drive and then create a new Google Slides presentation. You can also use a presentation that you've already created. In either case, it's the same steps. So let's go ahead and take a look at a blank presentation. At this point, there's something you'll need to do just once, and that is to go up to your add-ons right here. Click on add-ons, and you'll need to get the Pear deck add-on. As I said, you just do this once. So once you click on the Get Add-ons, you can search for Pear deck. If you don't already see it here, search Pear deck, and it'll pop up right there. Click on it to install, and it's there. Once it's already there, you create your presentation just as you normally would. Whenever you want to have interactive questions, click Add-ons, Pear deck for Google Slides add-on, open Pear deck add-on. This will open up a window right here on the right-hand side, which will then give you the options of the different kinds of interactive questions. Text, choice number, website, draw, draggable. Once you have any of your options selected for the various kinds of interactive content and your presentation is complete, simply click Start Lesson. Once you click Start Lesson, it will ask if you would like it to be student-paced, where the students get to work on each of the different questions and move through the slides at their own pace, or you can choose instructor-paced, which means that you, of course, will control the pace of the activity. Regardless of which way that you choose, you'll still need to share that link with the students. Since we are virtual, the best way that I think to do it is to get the link. So when you give students a link and you click here, it will copy it to the clipboard. You can then just go to Schoology, add materials, add a file link, and then connect this way